everyone! Did you still remember the vocabulary that we teach last time? Okay, let's have a brief review. Does anyone know how to spell the word product? Product. Yes, Zoe. Okay, P-R-O-D-U-C-K-O-T. C-T. Very good. Product. So today we are going to talk about Taiwanese product. So now everyone, turn to page 19. Page 19. Last time we already finished the vocabulary part. Today we will continue the reading and the grammar section. Alright? Now, I want you to, later I'm going to play the audio file about this reading. I want you to pay attention, listen carefully, because I've prepared 3 questions for each member of the group. Okay, let's get started. It's your turn. Okay, so now dog horses. Each group, dog horses, raise your hand. Very good. This question is for you. Is Taiwan famous for sports product? Is Taiwan famous for sports products? Yes, Abby. Yes, the answer is yes. So you can see from page 63, the last sentence, you get this information. Very good. Okay, now, players, raise your hand. Each group. Yes, this question is for you. So which word was added to the Oxford Dictionary in 2018? Which word was added to the Oxford Dictionary in 2018? Yes, Yenny? Can the room members help her? No, it's not on page 20. Please look at page 19. Everyone, page 19, the second paragraph. Do you see the sentence? Boba tea, yes, also known as bubble tea, is a delicious drink. And please read the following sentence out loud. Can you read louder? Yes, very good. It is so popular that the word boba tea was added to the Oxford Dictionary in 2018. Boba tea. Okay. The last question is for coaches. Okay, so coaches, raise your hand. Yes. Okay, so the question for you is that why Taiwanese products are so popular? Why are Taiwanese products so popular around the world? Yes, we know. Okay, so according to the reading, because the food is delicious and is made with very special techniques. And how about the products? Yes, they are all like almost high quality. Very good. Okay, now let's have a graphic organizer about this reading so you can have a better understanding. So what does this reading tell us? It talks about the Taiwanese products in 3 categories. The reading tells us. The first is about food, right? And the second is about sports. The last one is about electronic. What is some famous food here? 19, line 6. Please highlight this sentence for me. It is so popular that the word boba tea was added to the Oxford Dictionary in 2018. So please underline the phrase was added to. Was added to. Okay, so this is the way that you can add something in a passive voice. In a passive voice. For example, this student was added to his class from this semester. John, pay attention, listen up. Okay. Alright. Very good. You did very well today, everyone. So now I think we can move on to the grammar section. Everyone, now turn to page 25. Page 25. Today I'm going to talk about a very special, several special phrases, which are to, so, that, and not to. Can anyone find from the reading part that which sentence has these phrases? Either one is fine. Okay. So can you find in your reading part sentences with these phrases? Yes, Emily. Very good. The sentence that I just read, right? Okay, page 19, line 6. It is so popular that. Okay, so this phrase is used to describe the result of something. For example, our dear Jeannie. Okay. Jeannie is too tired to focus. Okay. Too tired to focus. Another sentence is also the same meaning. Jeannie is so tired that he cannot focus. Okay, let me write down a sentence here. So we have Jeannie, right? Thank you, Jeannie, for being our model here. Jeannie is too tired. Or what did I just say? Said so tired. Too tired to focus. Too tired to focus. Okay, I want to say Jimmy is so tired that he cannot focus. Do you see a difference between these two? So when you use to, then here is negative, means cannot focus. But if you use so that, then you should add a not here. Alright? So these two sentences are have the same meaning. Jimmy is too tired to focus. Means he's so tired that he cannot focus. And another sentence is Jimmy is smart enough to pass the exam. Okay? So this is how you use the phrase not to. Okay, we're out of time, but don't worry, we'll have more practice on this next time. Alright, but remember, this is very, very, very important. Okay? Alright, now we can have a brief review for today. Today we've talked about how best Taiwanese products are, right? And also we learned how to use these phrases to describe the result that we want. Okay, now it's the homework time. So the homework for you today is that I want each one of you to find one famous product that is made in Taiwan, which we call NIT, right? It is made in Taiwan. And you cannot find one mentioned in the textbook. You should find a new one. And try to use the sentence pattern so that to enough to describe it. For example, the pineapple cake is so delicious that I must recommend it to my foreign friend. Okay, so I hope some of you can share with us next time. Alright? Any question? If not, then our class just ends here. See you next time.